Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. So friends, there is a good news here. So now TCS has started sending the joining letter as well. Okay, so you can see this image. Okay, so this PDF actually has been sent by TCS on December 14th. That means yesterday. So dear and the name, so name and the other information are definitely I have kind of eliminated from here. So, dear, we would like to take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to Tata Consultancy Services Limited family. Okay. So, friends, I'll be telling you each and every detail. So, when she has written the examination, okay, so you can see that is her status, actually, next step portal status. So, when she applied for the drive, okay, when she wrote the examination, okay, and when she got the offer letter, for her, the interview was not conducted, and she is eligible for ILP. ILP is also scheduled, joining letter generated, and joining letter accepted. So all the dates we will see, but before that we will see. So TCS has sent offer letter, joining letter also. Okay, so it happened very quick. The exam was conducted on 5th of December, and within 40 days, 14 days itself, the offer joining letter has been sent. Okay, so we would like to take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to Tata Consultancy Services Limited family. We are pleased to inform you that your joining date will be 29th of December 2021. Your joining location is okay, so the location was given, your work location is also given, and your stream is IT. This has been provided considering your preference and business requirement. Your well-being is our utmost priority in the current COVID-19 pandemic scenarios. Keeping this in mind and the regulation enforced by the various states at this point, we have internally enabled a virtual onboarding process for our future TCSers. So for the virtual onboarding process, you will not be required to physically report at the TCS offices on the date of your joining. So TCS XPHR team will reach out to you over email in the next few days to guide you further on the virtual onboarding process and steps to be taken to prepare you yourself for onboarding. So friends, basically you do not have to be physically available at that particular location. Okay, so congratulations on completing the first phase of your learning through TCS Explore program. We appreciate your passion towards learning, which has helped you to perform well. You are now set to experience learning through our coveted TCS experience program. So now let us know the internal detail of that. So you can see here, so candidate bashed, okay, 9th. So she had basically written the examination on 5th of December 2021. Okay, now, so she got the batch status on her next step portal on 9th of December. Okay, so 5th of December the exam, and 9th of December was the candidate batch status at 5:34. Okay, then offer letter was generated on 15th, 11th of December at 15:42. That means 3:42 p.m. Okay, and then she had accepted the offer letter that day itself, right at 9 p.m. and then ILP, and immediately after accepting the offer letter, the status was changed to ILP eligible. Okay, and then ILP was scheduled for 14th of December, and offer letter also generated on 14th of December 11 p.m. and joining letter, this is joining letter generated, and then joining letter she had accepted on 15th of December. Okay, so friends, in the whole process you would have seen from 5th to 15, right? So from 5th to 15, so within 10 days the result was declared, and for her the interview was not conducted. Okay, so written result was declared, and then offer letter was generated, and then joining letter was generated, and even she is going to join within just 14 days of the written examination. So friends, again, there are many people I saw in the comment, they're telling, sir, I wrote the exam in this particular date, that particular date, but I have not got the offer letter, I have not got the joining letter, I have not got the result. So friends, you can send a mail to TCS. So they are the better person, they are the best person to tell you why this delay is there. Okay, because see, it totally depends upon the company, the requirement. Okay, it really depends upon the TCS. Nobody has any kind of information. Okay, so we can only see. So they will be, generating the offer letter, and there are many people who have also got the joining it on 23rd of December. Okay, so for them also there was no interview conducted, but for some of them the interview has been conducted. There will be people who will also get rejected. So for the people, those who have written the exam on 5th of December and 11th of December, so definitely you might get rejected also, and there might be interview conducted for you. So there are a lot of possibilities are there. Okay, it will be keep happening, so you do not have to worry at all. Okay, and you can send a mail to TCS asking that, because if you'll ask the query to us definitely we also don't know. See why your for you interview was it is not getting conducted, why for you the exam reschedule or the joining reschedule or the interview reschedule is not happening. See, we do not have any kind of information because we are not directly communicated with the we are not directly communicating with the TCS HR team. Please try to understand. So no YouTube channel will give you the information. If somebody is giving you the information, trust me, that information is not correct. See, whatever information I tell you here with all this proof, right? So you can see always I tell with all the proofs. Okay, so this is the from the next say portal how it is happening, and each and every detail I will give you, whatever I will come to know. But any kind of false information you cannot expect from me. Okay, so we are seeing there are a lot of messages, a lot of emails, and a lot of queries are there. Friends, please try to understand that, or any YouTube family members, okay, any YouTubers will not have this kind of information. This kind of information will be only be having with your company, that why your interview is getting delayed, why your result is getting delayed, why your joining is getting delayed. Each and every information TCS will be able to give you. Send them email and they should revert you back. Okay, so anyway, so TCS has started sending the joining letters now. So accept it, join it, and become a family member of TCS, right? And we will again meet in the next video. Thank you. Take care.